Hi everybody, this is Miss Nun from Tensesmaster. I'd like to give you some updates on our charity program with BaksosKatisha. When the floods came to Malalo, a village in West Sumatra, 40 homes were destroyed. Families lost not just houses, but memories, safety, and peace. Through BaksosKatisha, my charity program, we donated 3 million, almost 3 million rupiahs, only less than 50,000, for our brothers and sisters in West Sumatra. It may not rebuild everything, but it carries a message. You are not alone. From heart to heart, from humanity to humanity. Malalo, West Sumatra, you are in our prayers. Charity is not about how much we give, but how sincere our hearts are. Together we rise, together we heal. In every donation, there is prayer.